Where do you find your PayPal email address? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open any browser and search paypal.com and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen, which is beside Log Out. After you click on the settings icon, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find emails, and this is your email address. You can also click on the plus sign and add your another email address as well. And this is where you find your PayPal email address. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.